Earlier this week, I was extremely happy to hear that India had won the Border Gavaskar Trophy. In fact, as I sat back thinking about what possibly could be the ingredients of this win, I was reminded of an age old framework that I had come across, which was with Stephen Covey, where he talked about dependence, independence, and interdependence. When Virat Kohli left for India, right, that is where the dependence on the captain actually reduced, which forced everybody on the team to become independent. Independent meaning that they were independent of the pressure, they were independent of the fear. And in fact, the Aussies are an amazing team, and sometimes it's fear that makes us suboptimal. So when they gained independence from fear, they moved across to interdependence. How do you make sure that you're able to work together as a team? And it is this transformation that I think, in my mind, is possibly the cause for these stellar results. I just thought I'll go ahead and share that with you because I'm sure each and every one of us is in this same journey of dependence, independence, and interdependence, of how we become better versions of ourselves and how we amplify our output through the ecosystem and the team that we go ahead and develop. Good luck as you transform your leadership.